Geomni is revolutionizing aerial imagery and geospatial technologies, serving a wide variety of industries, including insurance, commercial property, financial services, mapping firms, emergency response, and more. But who are we really? We're engineers and project managers. We're pilots and operators. We're former claims adjusters and construction professionals. We're drone enthusiasts. More importantly, we're making the work insurance carriers, adjusters, and mapping professionals do faster, more efficient, and a lot safer. We know what it's like. We've been there. We know the risks of being up on a roof, the late nights of tagging and organizing images, and wanting nothing more than to just be with your family. We understand the challenges of a mapping department working tirelessly to meet the needs and requirements of customers. And we know you need ortho and oblique imagery, measurements, dimensions, and property conditions delivered quickly and accurately. Our advanced remote sensing capabilities and machine learning technology will give you the data needed for enhanced decision-making, improved resource deployment, successful job bidding, and more. We use satellites, fixed-wing aircraft, drones, and even mobile devices to gather baseline and high-resolution imagery. With quick response hubs strategically located across the U.S., the Geomni fleet of aircraft can reach any point in the contiguous 48 states and Hawaii within hours. When major storms and catastrophes hit, we're first in the air, capturing imagery and documenting the damage, enabling you to quickly restore the lives of your customers. So whether you're an insurance adjuster resolving a claim, a county assessor looking to remotely assess properties in your jurisdiction, or a mapping professional responding to a recent mudslide, you can rest assured Geomni can provide you high-resolution imagery and the most accurate data analytics tools in the industry. Contact us today to learn how Geomni is providing these services you need to make your job or business faster and more efficient, to make more data-driven decisions, to be more cost-effective, and to keep your people safe on the ground.